Hey, who are you going to vote for this year? Are you going to vote for John McCain? Are you going to vote for Hillary Clinton? What about Barack Obama? You think you're going to vote for Barack Obama? Yeah, you are. Yeah, Barack Obama. Barack Obama. Yeah, I know. Yeah. John McCain. You think you're going to vote for John McCain? What about Hillary Clinton? Yeah, maybe Hillary Clinton. Barack Obama. Barack Obama. Barack Obama. Barack Obama. Barack Obama. Barack Obama.
Hillary Clinton.
Barack Obama.